Mike, guys, thank you for visiting LEDoutfitters.com. Just wanted to do a quick video of a close-up shot of our 12-inch Razor Extreme. I know that there's a couple pictures of it on the website, but I feel like if I do a video with detail angles, you guys will get a better picture of what you will receive when you get it in the mail. It's not so thick at all. The size of my index finger. The magnets underneath have a track that these can adjust to whatever you're mounting it on. You'll be able to move these mounting feet by loosening these bolts and moving it inside this track. The track runs basically along the whole bottom of the light, except maybe the last 2 inches on each side. It's made out of solid aluminum. The magnets are 40-pound magnets. They have this rubber cover, so there's no issues with rust. This particular light bar has 6 LEDs in the modules and 4 on the sides with a curved edge. A lot of the light bars on the market I've seen 4 LED, which is 2 less LEDs per 4 less LEDs for the front of the light. I guess it makes a big difference in the brightness. The flasher is fully waterproof inside this unit, and I just wanted to turn this on and show you guys the brightness of this close up. Has 15 different flash patterns, many different eye-catching ones, and they're great. This is an amazing light bar, priced very, very, very well for people who are on a budget, or for people who want to mount it onto their vehicle and they don't want to have something bulky on there. This is the best light bar you can put on there. If you have any questions, comments, please let us know. But I just wanted to do, again, pictures don't do justice. This video hopefully will give you a more detailed look of the light bar, and you'll be able to make a better decision when purchasing. Thank you guys and have a great day.